All right, Dueling Typewriters. I need two contrasting genres, please. Horror is one. Another one, please.
Action.
That's too
Romance.
close. Romance.
Oh, come on.
Romance. Horror. Okay. Bill will be our romance. I don't know why, but he will be. Andrew will be horror. Okay.
Oh, that horror.
You just quiet. Okay. So what's going to happen is these guys are going to create a scene with a typewriter. If you don't know what a typewriter is, it's a computer without the screen. Okay, it has ribbon, you use paper. If you screw up, you put a new piece of paper in. It sucked. Okay? We have actors that will come on stage and act out the scene that the typists create. Okay? They may tell them to say lines, they may say lines. It just moves back and forth between genres. Okay? Dueling Typewriters.
Once upon a time, there was a lovely fair damsel who lived in a castle. She pined every day for her Prince Charming, and one day, he came along. He came to the bottom of her tower. He did not know how beautiful she was, but he knew that someone was up there. So what did he say?
Yo, anybody up there?
Hey, it's me!
Which was the beginning of a great start. They fell immediately in love. However,
And then she realized he was her father.
Ew.
He did not, however, realize that she was his daughter. And he decided to climb the tower. He climbed very quickly.
This is getting really creepy.
but when he got halfway up, he realized his horse was double parked. So he had to quick rush back down momentarily and put another nickel in the hook.
But when he got there, he had realized that there was, of course, an officer of the law there towing his horse away.
You're double parked, dude. You just lost your steed.
When their eyes met, immediately there was a reaction, a chemical reaction. They looked into each other's eyes, and the officer then said,
I'm gonna let you off this time.
Why, thank you. Thank you very much.
and that was the very beginning of a romantic crime spree. They set off together.
It ended very soon after in a sword fight, because this is medieval. Yes, sword fight. Between each other, they got a disagreement over drapes. She wanted pink, he wanted lavender. She said that's the same thing. He said no.
But, as with all true romances, he acquiesced. Or, in other words, he said, yes, dear.
Yes, dear.
Damn right.
All